Hi, welcome all of you on YourPedia Education. And let me first request all of you to maintain utter safety nowadays. As you can see, even the all of us, mentors and all, we are recording, putting mask on because of the very severe situation prevailing due to COVID. Now it looks like this virus is in air, you never know. So please maintain lot of precaution and safety. That is message and request number one. Now second, I understand this is a situation of challenge, but at the same time you have to convert this into opportunity also. You are not to lose your pace of preparation or putting effort. You are not to get demoralized. You are to keep your sight on the objective or goal or target, and you have to clear this exam. You know, last year the students who cleared engineering services exam and finally got selected, when I was interacting with them, many of them said that I asked them that despite of reduction in number of seats, because the moment they cleared their preliminary and they were to write the mains, number of seats reduced drastically because the railway seats were taken out. So how you maintain the rhythm and how you maintain the motivation for the preparation? Almost everyone who got selected, they said that sir, we were demoralized for some time, but then we decided to give our best without bothering about number of seats and all. We were to give our best and we want single seat only. So with that intention we were putting effort. Similarly, now what is required is, there are negativities out there. Number of seats are reducing, public sector getting privatized, COVID situation. And if you see the newspaper or if you listen the news, all over there is a negativity, and people keep on spreading negativity also, that kuch nahi banega, this thing, that thing. Don't focus on that. My request to you is, just focus on your preparation. Whatever exam you are preparing for, let's say you are preparing for HPCL exam, keep focus on that, keep preparing on that. Because of COVID, suppose the now exam which we were expecting to be in May is not going to be in May. As you know, the situation is very severe. Even people are speculating about June, but that nobody can speculate because nobody knows the situation of COVID, as you understand. So that simply means your pace of preparation should not reduce. In fact, it should be now you should start putting more effort, because you should not go out, give your 100% for the preparation. And we will, as all the mentors will try to provide you as much as possible, learning module, learning content, questions, everything. Keep preparing for HPCL. You got a great opportunity here. Exam will be conducted, it will be postponed. We know that it will be postponed, but it will certainly be conducted, because I don't see the opportunity here for online conduction of the exam. They will not go for, I think, online stuff sitting at home. The exam will be conducted in proper, basically, examination center, when they will maintain that particular situation there. So it will be postponed because of the COVID situation. You have the time now. I don't want to speculate on this, but one thing looks like very clear, like मई में and जून में मेरे को नहीं लगता ये एग्जाम हो सकता है because of the situation prevailing. And hence we have got some oxygen of 2 more months for this exam. We can prepare for this now. So let's make the strategy, let's put more effort on questions and all, so that once exam is there, we are very sure to score very high on that. Hope you keep yourself safe and keep preparing on these exams, and keep your pace of preparation really nice, so that the moment exam is there, you are in position to clear it. Thanks a lot.